I'm Kent Trammell, and I designed this course for developing Blender artists who want to finish more projects more often. The complexity of computer graphics means projects can easily take weeks or even months to complete depending on the scope. And that's not a negative thing. In fact, some of my deepest creative fulfillment is rooted in lengthy projects. But I also enjoy a rapid creative pace, not because it's a compromise in quality or impact. Rather, if we pick the right projects, the right scope, we can achieve impressive visuals, modeled, textured, and even animated in just a couple hours. And that's what Sessions is all about, creating something awesome in 2 hours or less using only Blender. And to be clear, there is no top secret magic bullet solution here. It's just working smart and, doing the work. Sessions Volume 1 is actually a bundle of 2 courses we released on CG Cookie this year. You, the people, spoke, we heard you, and now it's available on the Blender market. The first course is Minimalism, where we push the more for less concept as far as we can. With projects ranging from a cinematic space scene to looping animated patterns, to a stylized graphic landscape, to brutalistic architectural realism, to a large-scale fantasy environment. There's quite a lot we can do with a minimalistic approach. The second course is called Macro, and it's inspired by macro photography. In short, when we place our camera close to a usually small object, we can take advantage of depth of field blurring, which gives our renders a substantial boost in photorealism, but it also incentivizes us to focus our efforts where they matter most. While these projects are all based in photorealism, there's no shortage of interesting, unique subjects within this genre. CG Cookie members have really taken to these short-form projects. We've received over 250 exercise submissions since the first course went live 7 months ago, and we've seen tremendous growth in terms of Blender skill development, as well as artistic expression and exploration. Now, on a more serious note, I do have to warn you that Sessions can be addictive. Once you experience rapid Blender project output, you may start to feel powerful, which means you may want to do it more and more and more. Before you know it, you start to see potential Sessions projects everywhere you look. So proceed with caution. That said, start your Sessions routine today.